Hi, welcome to the Pimp My Profile Masterclass. I can't wait to show you how to really optimize your profile and make it look absolutely fabulous so that when people come to your profile, as we all do, we are all stalkers and we are all always checking out everyone else's profile to see what they do. When your clients or your potential clients come to your profile, it's going to blow them away. It's going to be really clear about what you offer, and it's going to really drive them in the places that you want, because that is what it is all about. So before we get started, I want to make sure you've got your worksheet handy. So it looks like this, your Pimp My Profile workshop. We've got our checklist. We've got our banner sizes, and here we've also got all of these beautiful Canva templates, which you can just use as much as you want. So we're going to be using those today, and I'll get in there and do some editing and sort of give you a little bit of Canva as well. So anyway, I've got my profile here, which I've designed for the purpose of this tutorial. So Amazing Design is our character. We're going to make her look magnificent, and let's just pretend that she is a designer like myself. Okay, so let's get started by jumping in and doing a profile picture. So my top tips for a profile picture is something which looks a little bit relaxed and social, but is also really professional. So something which is like quite a high resolution, so taken either outdoors or with a lot of sort of natural light next to a window. So I am going to just use a stock image today from Canva. I'll use this one here. Beautiful. And yeah, that's a nice light photo. You can see this photo, she's really clear, nice depth of field around her as well. So it looks really professional. So we're just going to go save that. So Mason's looking really good there. Okay, so let's have a look at our checklist. So let's update our banner first. So we've got this area at the top, and this is just total real estate for you to sort of say whatever you want. So you can put services up here, you can put just like a little spiel about you can put your website, things like that. So first of all, let's pick a template set. So I am going to be using blush and gold today, or blush and rose gold. So I'm going to load this into Canva. Fabulous. Okay, so in terms of banner, I'm going to pick this second one, and I'm going to delete the rest of them. Beautiful. So this is going to be the banner that we use today. So what we might do is add a photo over in this area here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to add that beautiful photo that we used in our profile image. It's really friendly, beautiful photo. And we are going to add her name, so Amazing Design. And we're going to put her title, which is a graphic designer. I'm going to list some services, so I put branding, web design, page layout. I'm just going to pretend that this link goes somewhere, so Amazing Design. I'm just going to adjust that so it's nice and centered and balances with the image. Beautiful, and we're going to go ahead and download that now. That looks ready to post. So go JPEG, download. And that will be in my downloads folder ready to upload. So we'll go back to our profile and we're going to hit add cover photo, select a photo. Oh, sorry. So we're going to add a banner here. We're going to go add cover photo. We're going to go upload. We're going to find that one that we just created in Canva. Beautiful. And we're going to go save changes. And that's great. It's already got her brand color, which is going to be the pink, and it's looking really professional. So the next thing on the list that we are going to do is update our profile. So down in this area here, we have our profile. So we've got our bio, we've got details, hobbies, and we can also add a feature image. So we are going to update our profile. So we're going to go get started. We've added a profile picture already. So that has just updated that profile picture there. We've added our cover photo. We're going to add our background info. So I'm just going to put in some of my details, because I assume we're similar minds. I made her, so I think we're the same. We'll skip the city, probably skip the high school. Okay, we'll give her a good university, so beautiful. So it's got her qualification there. Now we're going to pop in self-employed, and we're going to put freelance designer and go save. And you can see as I'm adding these, they're just appearing here. So let's go add a bio. So just a really short sort of almost like your elevator pitch should go here. So if you haven't heard about an elevator pitch, it's basically a really short summary of everything that you are about. So if you were like to walk into an elevator with like Brad Pitt or something, and he's like, what do you do? Your elevator pitch would be like the one-liner that you give him explaining exactly what you do. So we will pop that elevator pitch just there and hit save. This is already looking fantastic with the banner and the details. So the next section we want to do is add our interests and hobbies. And I think this is a really cute little feature on Facebook. So you click add hobbies, and what it lets you do is select a heap of like little icon hobbies, if that makes sense. So I'm going to pick art, eating, because who doesn't like to eat? I think everyone likes to eat. But you can also search for others. So let's say that I want to search for animal grooming. You probably want to pick some that are really relevant to your niche. But anyway, that's enough. So if I hit save, those will all appear down there, and they look really cute. They kind of make you a lot more human because people want to know about you on social media. That's what the platform is for. So